I'm Chanda Chacon, President and CEO of Children's Hospital and Medical Center, and it's my great joy and privilege to recognize you, our amazing volunteers, as we mark National Volunteer Week. This week and year-round, we are grateful for how you serve our patients, families, and team members with dedication and compassion. Thank you for sharing your time and talents with us, giving from your heart, and partnering with us to improve the lives of children. Whether you cuddle babies, clean toys, or deliver snacks, your work is critically important in ensuring excellence for our patients and families. And you are making a tremendous positive impact. In 2021, more than 80 volunteers returned to Children's, totaling over 4,000 volunteer hours. You have our deepest gratitude and respect, and you help make us the very best for kids. On behalf of all of us at Children's,